Привіт-привіт, мої дорогі друзі! Мене звати Інна. My name is Inna. Вітаю вас на каналі Speak Ukrainian. Welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. Guys, before we start, I would like to ask you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, leave your comments about it. My goal is to reach 100,000 subscribers. Just imagine, more than 100,000 people in the world learn the beautiful Ukrainian language. That's amazing. In this video, I would like to share some news with you. Me and my team, we updated our website, Speak Ukrainian. You can find it with the help of the link. And you can find it in the description of this video, or just please type speak.com. And I would like to tell you more about the story of it, our brand new banner, slogan and mission, and also share with you some secrets and future plans of our school. Guys, the idea to create the online Ukrainian language school, it started more than 4 years ago. At that time, I taught Ukrainian language for 4 years and I wanted to grow, but I have a very small team of 3 people, and it took a lot of time to create the online school, to create its design, to present it, and it was very difficult, but you know that more than 4 years ago we had coronavirus and the online business started growing and many people started learning foreign languages at home. So I think it helped me a lot to develop it. And I had a website. It was very nice, but like at the beginning of 2024, me and my team, we realized that we need to change it because we want to present like our team, more information about the school that we created during the last several years. And also we changed our mission and our slogan because it's very important. So guys, you can see that our slogan sounds as spreading the language of unconquerable nation. And I was thinking how I can present the idea of my school, what we do, what makes us keep developing it, and of course Ukraine and its desire to freedom, peace and independence. And I have the same values in my life, and I want to do from my side as much as I can to tell the world about the beautiful Ukrainian language and culture. Guys, on the banner you can see that the main colors of course are blue and yellow because these are the colors of our flag. Maybe if you didn't know, the blue color means the blue sky, and the yellow color means the wheat. I'd like to tell you more about the symbolism. So you can see the sun. The sun is the bright future that Ukraine will definitely have, and the girl is a symbol of Ukraine who tries to reach it. She tries to reach the sun. And also we can see 2 storks. Storks symbolize loyalty, happiness and well-being, and of course stork is a symbol, one of the symbols of Ukraine. And also we can see wheat, the field of wheat, and it symbolizes the earth's well-being and fertility. Oh my god, well-being. Yes, so what do you think about it? So please write in the comments below, because you know it was quite a challenge to create the banner that will represent our ideas, our values. Our mission, of course, our mission is to spread the language, the culture during these horrible times for my country. And to achieve this, we have created a welcoming educational space with expert teachers, our online language courses, textbooks, and flashcards. I will tell you more about it. Also, on the main page, you can see all information about us, about our team, and you can see the videos with the testimonials from our students. And guys, at my school, Speak Ukrainian, we taught more than 1,000 students from 56 nations. That's a lot, I know, that's a lot, but that's true. That's other students who took my beginner course from an upset beginner to confident speaker, and also those who have individual lessons. I can't believe it, but that's true. We wanted to collect all this information and to count how many students we had and from which countries they were, and that's amazing. And you can find out more about it if you just click on the bottom testimonials. About us. So also when you click on this bottom about us, you can see the story of the school, the story of me, the founder, how you can study Ukrainian language with us. And also, you know that when the full-scale invasion started in February 2024, I was in my native city Kherson, and it was under the Russian occupation, and it was very difficult times. Even still, I have sometimes I have nightmares, ADHD, and depression. That's true, but I keep doing my yeah, some people say it's a business. For me, it's not business. For me, it's something more. It's my life goal. It's something that I admire, something that motivates me to wake up in the morning, and it just yeah, I have senses in my life, and that's amazing. So I created at that time, when I was under the occupation, my charity project Buy T-shirt Save Ukrainian Life. As of the end of July 2024, it collected more than 149,000 profit and donations. Thank you so much, I appreciate it a lot. Our team, guys, I can't do all the work by myself, because running a school, it takes a lot of time, energy and efforts. Therefore, I have an amazing team. It consists of approximately 30 people, among which 16 are professional Ukrainian language teachers who help me with teaching one-on-one lessons, and also we create learning materials together. I have a director of the school, Mr. Ivan Protak, who helps me to manage the whole team and school. And I have a support team. It consists of 3 people, Halina, Svetlana and Tatiana. They are admins. They help to work with different platforms, so I appreciate them so much. And also we have a team of teachers. You can read more about them again at the on the page Our Team. And other people at my school, they are marketer, Google ad specialist, SMM manager, is designer, is programmer, is we have people who help to to create, like, we collaborate with people who can help us to like to extend our app and so on. So yeah, it takes a lot of efforts to deal with the whole team, but I'm very happy, and all our team are Ukrainians because they want to share this mission together with us. And as you know, in Ukraine, many people have difficulties with finding a job, so we try to help them with that too. And about our teachers, I wanted to tell you that I hired all of the teachers, and also I have like senior teacher who also participates in this process. And all our teachers, they are professional specialists with diploma. They have master's and PhD degrees in languages, so they are amazing, and you are in the great hands. That's how we say in the Ukrainian language. So you can learn the Ukrainian language with the help of one-on-one lessons at our school, and also with the help of online courses. And the next launch of our beginner course will be at the beginning of September, and the exact day is the 9th of September 2024, so you're welcome to join. So two options: it's one-on-one lessons with a teacher, or it's online courses. If you have some maybe doubts about joining the beginner course, you can start with a free course. It's just like introductory course, free mini course, your first small talk in Ukrainian, so you're welcome to check it out. And also at our shop you can purchase e-book and hardcover version of textbooks, flashcards. We have the app, and last year we created our community. You can join it, it's absolutely free. And Oksana Dudnik, she is the curator of this community, and every day she posts very useful information, vocabulary list, some grammar explanations. You can save very useful tables with the information about the Ukrainian language. You can ask the questions, you can meet other Ukrainian language learners. It's very active, so you're welcome to check out more about it. All information again you can find at the page our community at the website speakit.com. Also here we have a blog, so we work very hard to do our work to spread beautiful Ukrainian language. It took a lot of our efforts to create this new branding website, and we want to keep improving our work to create more and more useful learning materials for you. And we have courses for beginners and our plans. Yes, I want to tell you about our plans. So in autumn we are going to launch intermediate group sessions. Also, we will extend our app, because we have a Speak Ukrainian app, and in it there is the voiceover for our flashcards, but we are going to create there different quizzes, interactive exercises, so something similar to Duolingo, but yeah, we will do this, I promise. And yes, and we will create some more like learning materials, including the workbooks. So you will be able to have Ukrainian language workbook where you can just do the exercises. It will be very convenient for you to practice it. So everything that we can do for make your learning journey easy and fun. Guys, could you please tell me how long have you been learning Ukrainian language? How do you do that? And what is your progress? I'm very curious about that. Please write in the comments below. And also please let me know what other learning materials would you like me and my team to create. It's very important for us to hear your opinion. And also I'd like to tell you that if you want to start learning Ukrainian language, you're welcome to sign up for the trial lesson at our school, speaker.com. It costs only $1 and it lasts 30 minutes. You will be able to meet your teacher, understand your goals, and have a study plan for the following learning lessons. And also on September the 9th, we are going to launch again the beginner course from an absolute beginner to a confident speaker. So all the links you will find in the description of this video. So дуже дякую. Thank you so much for supporting us, for supporting Ukraine, for learning the beautiful language, for helping to keep it alive. Yeah, it's very important. Дуже дякую. До зустрічі. See you soon. Ваша вчителька Інна, your teacher Інна, and Papa. Bye bye.